Much of your embroidery is likely done for friends and family members. A great way to personalize embroidered items is to incorporate your own photography. In a recent beach bag project, I used photographs from a day trip to the beach. This tutorial shows you one quick and easy way to add pictures to your embroidered items. I used an iron-on transfer printer paper, which I purchased at an office supply store. I'm printing these pictures at the actual size I want them for this project, 2 3/4 inches by 1 3/4 inches. One of my pictures involved some writing. In order for that to come out correctly on the fabric, I mirrored the image on my computer before printing it out. You can see that on my printed copy, the words appear backwards. Next, I cut my photos out for easy handling. Each one can be cut right along the printed edge, or a small border can be left. If you leave a border, it will end up as a plasticky, transparent margin on your completed transfer, which you may wish to cover up. I've already marked this beach bag where I would like my photographs to go, so I'll place each one face down on the bag in its place. I'll drape a pressing cloth over it and press for 10 to 20 seconds. The transfer paper I'm using is a cool peel variety. That means I can wait for it to cool down before peeling the paper layer away. Some other papers are meant to be peeled hot or warm. The photograph transfer is successful if, when you peel the paper layer away, nothing remains on it. All the printing has been transferred to the fabric. An embroidered frame makes a nice touch. I'm using a frame from the Everyday Borders design pack on embroidery.com. I just start the embroidery at the center of the picture, and the placement is correct. The combination of embroidery and real-life photos really personalizes this fun in the sun beach bag.